And did you know, interesting fact, maybe you didn't know this, or maybe you do. If you open this, sometimes there's a little star. Actually, yeah, this one should have it. There's a little star hole, so that's how you get the little unique designs on mayo, if you never knew that before. Kind of like a built-in piping, you know, like the frosting piping things. I'm blanking on the term. Help me out. Leave me a comment below and help me out with that. It'll come back to me later. What's going on, guys? Pat here at All Day Like a Shark, where I share my Japanese cooking videos once a week showing you how to make Japanese food. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Today what we're going to be doing is making Ikura pasta with avocado, a little bit of cream, shouyu, soy sauce, and mayo. Kewpie mayo to be exact. We're going to also throw on some lemon juice and some nori, a little bit of black pepper. And here we're going to be using some pasta, different type of pasta. I usually use the Rusticella, which is one of my favorite dried pasta brands from Italy. This is also from Italy. This is actually a Dean and DeLuca pasta and also made with bronze dyes. You can tell by the texture, it's very rough, which helps all of the sauce cling to the pasta. So more taste and flavor in each bite. So key point there. I have a hot pot of water here boiling. I'm going to go ahead and drop in the pasta. We're just going to do about a ½ pound today. Question of the day, have you ever made Ikura pasta before? Ikura is the salmon eggs that we have right there. So I already have some water boiling here with some salt. I put in about, I don't know how much I put in. I put in some salt though. So we're doing about a ½ pound today. And make sure that all of that's in there. And this package says to cook for about 10 minutes. And today we're going to cook it all the way until it's al dente. We're not really going to cook it after. We're going to stir in the sauce a little bit. So all we have to do now, I have about 1¼ cups of avocado. What we're going to do is just scoop it into this bowl and squeeze some lemon juice on it. That'll help to preserve the color. And also it'll give the dish a little bit of an acidic kick. So acidity helps to bring out the natural flavors of food. So it's always good to have a little bit of acid to brighten up the dish and bring out some of the flavors as we're doing here. And the acid actually works a couple ways because it helps to preserve the avocado color from turning brown, and it also adds to the flavor. So that looks like it's just under a cup, so we'll do half of this avocado. Obviously, if you like more avocado, you can definitely add a little bit more, but you might need to increase the seasoning a little bit. And today we're using usukuchi shouyu, which is a light soy sauce. This helps to preserve the color of the food, and it's a little bit saltier. So we're going to put in a little bit of lemon juice, probably just about teaspoon's worth, and then mix everything together. Break it up into little bits. If you really want like a smooth texture, what you can do is use a food processor. That way it'll smoothen everything out. If you want a super smooth avocado sauce, it's totally up to you. So now we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of cream, and a table of usukuchi shouyu or light soy sauce. There's 2 tablespoons of cream. And we're going to do 3 tablespoons of Kewpie mayo. If you can't find Kewpie mayo, you can always do the just regular American mayo is fine. Okay, so there's 3 tablespoons there. 1 tablespoon of usukuchi shouyu, light soy sauce, and then we'll just mix everything together. And then once we drain the pasta, we can save some of the pasta water if you like things saucy. Just mix in the pasta with this avocado mixture, and then we'll be done. So it's a pretty easy dinner. We'll just top it with some ikura, which is the salmon eggs here. You can mix it in if you'd like, but I actually like to keep it somewhat segregated on top. It's essentially it. I will see you back in about 10 minutes after this is done cooking. So see you in a bit. All right, guys, I'm back. My pasta is just about done, so we're going to go ahead and drain it. Reserve some of the cooking water, like I mentioned. We'll just scoop out 1/4 cup right now. Only if you like things super saucy. Sometimes I don't use it. Sometimes I use just a little bit. Let's go ahead and drain this. We'll use probably about half of this right now, just for my 1 serving here. And then Emmy, my girlfriend, can eat the rest later on. First thing that we're gonna do, let's go ahead and stir in. We'll stir in about half of this. So this is about roughly a 1/4 pound of spaghetti, cooked al dente. And then we'll mix in about half of the sauce. So that was about 1 3/4 cup of sauce total, avocado sauce. And just mix everything together. If you like to preheat your plates, you know, like some of the restaurants do, they bring out your food on a hot plate. You can microwave it for like 30 seconds or so. If you've never done that before, it might be worth a try. That way your food will be a little bit warmer. And we'll just go ahead and plate this. Plating pasta is not my strength. One day I will get it. Smells so good. First time I heard about ikura and avocado, I was like, what? But it actually tastes really good. Really good. Hopefully, I think you'll be open-minded enough to give something like this a try. It's very unique. This one's a little bit of a fusion between California cuisine, California avocado, and Italian pasta in Japanese ingredients. Go ahead and put on about half of this. So this is 1/4 pound of ikura, salmon eggs. And I didn't really think that these had much nutritional value, but apparently they have a lot of omega-3 fatty acids, which are the good fats. So I think that looks pretty good right there. And then we'll just put on a little bit of thinly cut and toasted nori, dried seaweed. So here it is, guys. Ikura pasta with avocado, a little bit of shouyu, usukuchi shouyu, light soy sauce, and QP mayonnaise, key point, a little bit of lemon to preserve the color as much as possible, and cream for some richness, and pasta from Italy. Or you can put on a little bit of cracked pepper later on if you feel like it. But other than that, this is delicious. And there's not gonna be any leftovers because this pasta tastes so good. And plus the Ikura pasta, or the Ikura salmon eggs, once you heat it, you probably wanna eat it right away since it's raw. So yeah, I am hungry. I don't know about you guys, but hopefully this video made you hungry. I know I get hungry when I watch food videos. Let's go ahead and taste it. Favorite part is the nori. If you like things spicy, what you can do is add in a little bit of wasabi. If you want things a little bit more aromatic, you can add in some chopped shiso leaves. So good. So yeah, hope you guys give this a chance, and let me know if you have any questions, comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the alarm bell for notifications for when I post new videos. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.